Hello guys, so if you're looking to use ChatGPT when it is high at capacity, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply first go to your Google and type in ChatGPT, then open the first link. Then after going inside the link, just simply click on try ChatGPT. Then just simply wait for the site to load in. And when after it is loaded, as you can see, it is currently at high capacity. So now what you have to do is just simply click on get notified when we are back. So it will send you to an email panel where you can enter your email and get notified when the ChatGPT is back online. But over here what you have to do is just simply don't enter your email address. All you have to do is just simply click on chat.openai.com, simply click on that, and then it will redirect you to this particular website. So the trick is you have to just simply keep on clicking on get notified when we are back, and over here in chat.openai.com just simply keep on clicking on them one by one, and eventually you will get to the ChatGPT main page. So that's the trick, that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.